Sanibona babukeli ninjani? Ngizocela ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-share. Sekuputshuke ividiyo lapha or i-voice note lapho khona uKing Misizulu exabana khona nosisi wakhe, kodwa-ke ube esekhuluma amagama abantu or isizwe esiwabuke njengamagama angemahle, ngoba isizwe sike sa-debate la inkundla ezokuxhumana, sasho sathi hhayi bekungamele ekhulume kanje, kodwa abanye bebethi hhayi kumele ekhulume kanje naye uwumuntu ngale kokuba yiking. Bengifuna ukuzwa wena-ke mbukeli ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani le ndaba le, kodwa-ke awuyiswele nayo i-voice note.
Into
ngifuna ukusebenzisana nabo. Telling my cows to get out of my property. Just now, I put value to that. I must sell lezi zinto lezi. I'm going to lock you up. I'm going to make you look. I will show you to the nation. Hey, don't even try. You'll be my fucking laundry. Okay? I'm on tomorrow. Not yesterday, tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a bitch.
I'm forward to.
I'm not your brother. I'm not your brother.
Whatever you.
Hey, fuck you. Get out. Get out. Get out of my sitting room.
I'm not going
Get
to.
out of my sitting room. You guys fucking stop. Get out of my sitting room. Get out. Get out. Get out. You're not gonna come. You come there. I'm gonna put a fucking restraining order against you. No business.
For what?
Go talk to my guy. You rubbish. I don't know. I don't wish to know. Fuck you. Get out. Get out. Asa. And you know what?
You know that is false. You know that is false.
Get out.
Did you just call me is Febe?
Febe, get out, bitch. What will you to tell you, Febe? I have no message for you. His kids. And tell him I'm coming for him. I'll beat him. I want to kill him actually. Bitch. Get out. Get the fuck out. When I had to uncoza man. Let's first pum. Yeah, when. Pum.
What happened to him? What happened? What happened?
Stay off my fucking property, you bitch.
Repeat that again. Come and repeat it. Come and repeat it. Come and repeat it. Come and repeat it.